don't have the feedback. So, well, this is the homepage for your staking, where we are showing the days left, in this case, to be open, the staking to the public. So the first step is agree with the terms and conditions of the staking, and then let's stake. Okay. The first step here is to connect your wallet. Okay, so we can connect your wallet using Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Coinbase. Once we connect our wallet, we start seeing all the information around our staking. Okay, in the up corner, left corner, you can see once you invest the projected amount and the deposit amount in the staking. In the top right corner, you can see how many wBKN do you have. In this case, this wallet have 5,000 wBKN. We have the information around for the staking and the condition of it. And we have 3 different rounds to invest. We have all the information about the distribution, the max supply, the starting date, and the duration of this staking. The first round have a duration of 12 months, the round 2 have 18 months, and the round 3 have 24 months. We can see here the available staking of this round and the projected amount of the ROI on this stage of this round. So we can stake. This is the staking, the breaking stake. So I have some funny here. Let's put the deposit round 1. In this case, we open this transaction window where we can see that we have 2 steps because we're depositing an ERC20 token. So in the first stage, we are allowing our wallet to make the transaction of the wBKN. We wait until the acceptance transaction is done. When it's done, it appear me the window of MetaMask to make the final transaction. I'm confirming it right now. And now let's wait until the transaction is confirmed. And yeah, the transaction is success. So now we can see that our new balance of wBKN on our wallet is the 0 wBKN. But here appears now the deposit amount of 5,000 wBKN on the round 1. I have a projected amount of 600,000 BKNs to be withdrawn. Of course, this is the case because I am the only one participating on the staking. This will be reduced once more people start deposit on our staking. It's important to see that all the amount that I own on this wallet was invested on the round. Okay. So if you want to invest in different rounds, what you have to do is to transfer different amounts in another 2 wallets to invest in these another rounds if you want. Okay. So that is what I'm gonna do now. I have another 2 wallets with more wBKN to invest in the other 2 rounds. So I'm gonna change my wallet. I'm gonna connect the new wallet. A second. Okay, sorry, I have a connection problem. Okay, so let's change my wallet again. Sweet. Okay, well, I'm here with my other wallet. I'm gonna deposit on the round 2. I have 3,500 wBKN, and it's gonna be invested on the second round. Again, you're gonna ask me for 2 transactions. One is to the allowance of the transaction of the ERC20 token for the wBKN, waiting for the confirmation of it. And then we're gonna make the second and last transaction to transfer effectively the wBKN. So let's confirm. Okay, I'm just reading the chat. The GIF is a inside joke. Maybe we are developing. We're gonna change it. So we're done. I'm now staking on the second round. Here is now 3,500 wBKN staked, and this shows us a projected amount with the current participants. So I want to invest in the round 3. You need to use another wallet with your remaining wBKNs. So let's go back. Change again the wallet. Okay, I need to send me some wBKNs to this wallet. Second. Confirm. Again, we agree with the terms and conditions, and let's stake. Let's connect our wallet with MetaMask. In this case, I'm going to use my light version. And here I have 6,000 wBKN, and I'm going to invest this on my round tree. And confirming. Okay, in this case, is not yet open and the transaction can be done. So yeah, the round is closed at the moment. So well, as I show you, you need to change between their wallets to invest in the different rounds. All right, one is close it and unlock the staking. You can go to the same URL and you're gonna appear your unlock button. So I connect with another wallet that I reinvest. Let's see this one. Yeah, it's already closed the round. So if you have any questions, please let me know on the chat.
Perfect. Thank you, Felipe. All right, everyone, do you have any questions before moving to the next topic? Please write in the chat. All right. Okay, well, anyways, everyone can ask us questions directly from our community. We will be happy to answer all your questions. So thank you, Felipe. Thanks a lot for your time and great job. And by the way, the gifts are coming from our developers, our lovely developers who are doing a great job. And thanks to Felipe and all the team, we are now close to launch the dApp. So let's
Oh,
move now to the demo of the dApp. Thank you, Felipe. Bye. All right. Let me prepare here. Okay. Let's prepare the layout. All right. Okay. The screen is smaller. Perfect. Great. Okay, so this is the first page of the dApp. So this is where we're gonna create an account first. So let's start by creating a quick account. Let me use, I think this one is used, and perfect. So once you enter the email and the password, you receive a confirmation code by email in order to verify the email address, obviously to avoid having or getting spammed by uh, like bots especially. So we're gonna start now by doing the KYC. So the first step after creating an account is to do the KYC. So I need to do a quick verification of my face. As I'm using the camera for the stream, I'm gonna use it in my phone and do it quickly to move. So I'll scan the QR code. Once you scan it, you get on your phone, uh, you land directly on the page where we were, so that you can start verifying. So I'll do I'm ready, allow. You need to do a 3D face scan. Perfect. So once I scanned my face, now I need to improve to upload a file for the proof of residence. The staking and the dApp are not live yet. They are closing the alpha testing, but they are the staking gonna be launched next week. The dApp very soon in few weeks, which gonna be announced very soon too. So let me upload quickly the proof of residence here. As you can see, it can be bank statements, utility bills, internet bills, tax returns, council tax bills, or any government issued certifications of residence. Then we enter quickly information. So I'm gonna enter quickly, as this is the staging environment for this demo. I'm gonna do only tests. So I put a random number, put my wallet address, and then next. Perfect. Second step is the company information, because you need to issue a token for your company. We are obliged by the regulations to do a QIB, know your business. So we need to have to verify the identity of all the users, and in this case, the issuers of tokens who are companies. So let's go, for example, Bricken, and let's put a number. So we need to put here the certificate of incorporation. I will put, in this case, as it's a staging environment, a dummy file to move forward. And that's done. Perfect. So now we finished the process of the KYB. Next, we're gonna just have to wait for the legal team to review the KYB request. Sorry, to review the KYB request and approve it, or request in a case the more documents in special cases, of course. So let me go quickly and approve in from the staging environment. So I will move here. So I need to do the 2FA. Perfect. So it's approved. Verification complete. Next level KYC. So this is, we have two tiers of the KYC. The first one allows you to launch your token, which we're gonna do in this case, and the second one allows you to launch the token offering and create or build your token sales store, where you can customize a web page, a dApp, for you to launch your token offering and start selling your tokens. So in as we're gonna show in this demo also, like the token offering launch and the token sales store launch. Let's do both tiers of the KYC to set up our account and move to use the AI bot, the Bricken AI, so that we it guides us on the creation of the token and the launch of the token offering. So I will put, as again, it's a staging environment. I'm gonna put random numbers. This is a test, 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 and let's put this next, and let's say France next. Let's put random numbers, and we upload a dummy file here in order to finalize the setup of the account and start the token adventure. Alright, so this was the first one. And the last one. Perfect. And awaiting the verification again from the legal team, and move forward. Perfect, and verification complete. Now we can skip.
Evolution is inevitable.
Perfect. Alright, so now as our account is set up, we're gonna start showing finally how to create a token from our tokenization wizard or token creator. So let's start next.
Evolution.
Perfect. So here, before starting, let's introduce now the Bricken AI and start making it guiding us on choosing the information and let's have fun creating a token on the testnet with the wBKN dApp. So let me open up the bot that we have. The bot is still under training and will be live once we see that it's gonna be once it's ready. So let me prepare. Perfect. All right, so this is in our community on Discord and on the Discord server. You can see we have this channel. It's still private, but it's where we have our wBKN AI bot, which is a chat bot that is using and based on the same machine learning model of ChatGPT, but with data that is specialized only on wBKN, which helps like the community get easily information and instantly directly from our Discord server. So let's do a test. Let's ask the bot to introduce itself and wBKN. All right. Okay, it's lagging. 1 second to fix it. Perfect. Put it here. And okay, we're back. Let's see now. Hopefully it doesn't lag again. I dare. Let's ask it first if it's online. So let's see. Perfect. So let's start by introducing introduce Bricken. Perfect. So as you can see, it says Bricken is an easy-to-use token suite that enables businesses to create, launch, and manage tokens and token sales on public blockchain networks. So that's what we're gonna show today in our demo. Our suite simplifies the complexities of tokenization and empowers companies to fully leverage the benefits of blockchain technology. We have comprehensive tools to help manage investor identity verification, token and funds treasuries, token workflow automations, real-time analytics, and corporate automation actions. With our user-friendly platform and top-notch security features, you can easily manage your digital assets and participate in the token economy with Bricken. Perfect. So it did a very nice introduction about our dApp. So let's go back now to the dApp. So as we saw, the first step in order to create a token is to enter the token information, then enter the token economics, then we move to the deployment. So let's start by the token information. First thing we need is the token name. So let's go ask the bot to generate for us a token name. So let's ask it to generate 5 random names for companies for the Bricken for a demonstration of a tokenization. All right, so I'll drop in the chat the 5 names, and I'll let you guys drop in the chat the name that you like more, and we continue with it. So let me send it to Felix. And Felix, please drop it in the chat because I couldn't directly from. All right, I see 2 token gen. I see number 3 very token. Another token gen. All right, let's go then by token gen. Great. Now we need a token symbol for the token gen company. So let's go ask the bot again. So let's say we chose token gen as the name for our tokenization demo. Let's generate 5 variations of the token ticker. Okay, so as I mentioned, the bot is still under training, and when it's still under training, you need to give it more specifications in the request. So here we need to say for the token gen token ticker. Perfect. So I'll send again to Felix so that we drop it in the chat, and I let you guys choose the one you like. All right. Drop in the chat the token ticker that you like the most. I see number 1, 1, 2, 5, 4. So we have now it's between it's the number 1 that is chosen the most 4 times. So let's go with the number 1. Let's go back now to the dApp. We need to import the logo. Well, our chatbot now still only handles the text and still didn't do well. It's still not ready yet, the generation of images by AI. So I'm gonna use now the Bricken logo for this demonstration. So let's go for this one. Perfect. And I'll connect my MetaMask. I'll connect my wallet in order to continue. Perfect. So now as we finish the first step, we need to move to the company economics for the token generation. So the first step is to see if we need to set a maximum token supply to make it deflationary or inflationary. So let's say, for example, in this demo, we go ask again the bot. So let's open up the bot and ask, should we choose a maximum total supply for the token? Let's wait. And yes, setting a maximum total supply for the token is an important step during tokenomics design. The maximum total supply is important for determining the token scarcity, which is critical to its value. Ultimately, this will determine how much demand there is for the token. It's important to remember that once the total supply of tokens is set, it can't be changed. As a result, it's important to do a research and decide on the optimal maximum total supply for your project. Perfect. So now we know uh, uh, why it's important to set, for example, a maximum total supply, but it also depends on the tokenization strategy of the company, which means in this case, for example, let's ask it, let's go with a maximum supply in this demonstration in order to show the features too. So let's go back now to the bot and ask it to define a maximum total supply for us. So what we can do, what we can ask it is, we decided to set the maximum total supply of the token. So we ask it to generate the best maximum total supply, and in order, as it's not as trained yet, I need to add more specifications in the request so that it doesn't get confused. And let's see. Perfect. So it says the optimal maximum total supply for the token is determined by taking into account the purpose of the token and its use case. Generally, a low maximum total supply is preferred for tokens with a strong use case for the long term. As the amount of the tokens available in circulation will not exceed the total supply. However, for certain tokens, such as those that represent a utility token, a higher maximum total supply may be desired, as it allows more users to use the token. Ultimately, the maximum total supply should be determined based on your specific use case. So as we are now going for a security token, we understand from the AI that we should go for, it's better to go for a low maximum total supply. But again, we're gonna let it generate the options for us and you guys choose. So let's ask it to generate 5 numbers for the maximum total supply of the token, which is a security token representing equity of the token gen company. All right, again, we send it to Felix and we drop it on the chat and let's choose. We need another vote. It's between 3 and 4. 5 doesn't count. Perfect, so it's a 3. Let's go for 500 million. Okay, so we go back, set the maximum to 500 million. We need to import the shareholders agreement of the company, the bylaws of the company. So in this step, we are not gonna generate it by an AI, obviously, because it should be done by a legal firm and prepared before. That's why we prepared an experts marketplace where companies can browse service providers in the different countries. The experts marketplace gonna be also live with the dApp when it's on production. As now we are on staging, the experts is not yet ready to show in a demo, but will be in few days. So in this step, for example, if I don't have my shareholders agreement ready and my bylaws ready, I can browse the experts, see the ones who have experience in my local, like in the country where my company is based, in order to help me to create the legal framework, let's say, of my tokenization. So let me upload a dummy file for this demonstration. So I'll go look for it and let's upload it as a shareholders agreement and as bylaws. Perfect. So now we need to set the initial token supply for our token gen company and token. So let's go back now to the bot and ask it about it. So let's say the TKN token of token gen has a maximum total supply of 500 million. Let's choose the how to choose. In order first to understand how we need to choose for it to explain how we can choose the the initial token supply for the token. If you are launching a token, it's important to choose an initial token supply that will cover the costs associated with the sale, such as legal fees and marketing costs. Additionally, you'll want to consider the demand for the token from investors and the potential for the token to have real-world value. You should also consider the long-term plans for the token and the benefits the token holders could receive. Lastly, make sure to determine how the tokens will be distributed to ensure a balanced supply. In our case, as we are launching a security token, the initial token supply would be the number of shares that are already distributed by the company. So in our demo, as the Bricken AI chose, or let's say created the company, let's ask it to generate again few options for the initial token supply. So I will take again the first one because we need to be specific for it. And let's ask it to generate 5 variations or 5 numbers for the initial token supply of the token. Perfect. So I'll drop it again to Felix. Oops. Sorry, Felix. So we have 100 million, 200, 300, 400, or we go for the maximum supply at once. I can see one is winning, so let's go for 100. Well, in our demonstration and in general, it's better to go for an initial. If we are planning to go for a token offering afterwards, it's better to go for a low initial token supply so that we can have liquidity for, or we can have a token bag for uh, uh, our token offerings or our token sales rounds. So let's go now for, as most of you chose number one, let's go for 100 million. So let's put 100 million, and we need to put the wallet addresses of the shareholders of the company. We can also upload a CSV file with all the shareholders that are existing. So I'll put one of my wallet addresses quickly. Let's go for a test one here. So as we chose an initial token supply of 100 million, we need to distribute it. We need to distribute the full amount over shareholders. So let's say, for example, I go for 100 million here. I'll put my email, and I can add other ones. But as I chose here 100 million, which is the initial token supply, if I try to add anything, it will it won't be as it won't pass because it makes no sense. So we distributed the whole initial token supply to this wallet, and we go next. Oops, sorry, yes. Here. Then let me go back and show again. Can you see the left now? Is it fine? Perfect. So yes, next. So here is a summary of everything that we already have put here, which means perfect. So we can confirm and move forward. Next, let's see how the AI token gonna be. So let's approve the transaction. So here, in order to launch the smart contract factory that we have, it's needed to have BKN, and the factory needs a BKN fee in order to deploy your smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. So we first gave permission to the dApp to spend the BKN for the fee, which is which is set like during the deployment. And second thing is deploying and paying the gas fees for the Ethereum network in order to deploy it. So let's go deploy now on the Go Early testnet. Obviously it's a demo, so we won't go for the mainnet. And let's wait for it to be confirmed, processed on the blockchain, and deploy the token. And by the way, the GIFs are only on the staging environment and gonna be removed and switched by better illustrations. So don't worry about the GIFs. We know that it looks like out of the place, but we respect all the opinions. So we can see that the transaction hash is generated already on the Etherscan, which we can see. And finally, we have the token. Oh, thank you, Felipe. So Felipe said you can decide what GIF we can place here. Yeah, let's do it. Let's launch a vote on the community and see which GIFs we can put here and let the community choose. All right, so we have our contract address here. We have our token deployed. Let's go check if we do have it now or not. So let's go to the Go Early Etherscan and we look for the token. Perfect, it's there, the contract is deployed. Great, so let's continue. Then once our token is created, we can see that it's deployed. We can see our token address here and we land on the dApp dashboard. So as you can see, empty data here because we just created the token. We still didn't launch any token offering. So we still don't have the data to visualize in the dashboard. So that's why we have a notification here that is pending, which is to go create the token offering. So let's go do it now. Perfect. So this is the second step of after creating the token. Yes, of course. Let me open it up. Yes, so Felipe is suggesting that I show and check if the tokens have been the initial token supply have been distributed to my wallet. So I will go and check it out from that wallet. So let's open up a new tab and go to the scan. I'll go back at the top. We should go back to the dashboard. Alright, sorry, my computer is lagging because of everything that is running on it as a server on my local host. Let's give it a minute. Wait. Or let's just go back. Alright, I'll be right back again. I'll go quickly fix it and come back. Alright, we're back. We are back. Yes, Felipe, exactly. So I have the AI running on my local machine, and also as I am streaming from my computer, it's almost exploding. So we are back now on our dashboard. So I'll go to my company token in order to see the information of our token, and we have our contract address that is here. And we have the price that is still 0 because we still didn't define it yet. We can see all the documents that we uploaded, the shareholders agreement, the bylaws, and the circulating supply, which is what we chose, 100 million. The total maximum supply which we chose, which is 500 million. So we wanted to check if we got the token on our wallet from the initial token supply that we distributed. So I'll go quickly open up the wallet and import the token. Oh, bring it up here. So we need to take contract and let's go back to the Etherscan, open the wallet, import tokens. Okay, 1 second. So we should go back to the here. No, where was it? Yes, here. So we go to the Go Early Etherscan as we deployed in Go Early. And let's look for our wallet which received. Perfect. So we have our token gen received 100 million new tokenization that happened 7 minutes ago. So perfect. Our initial token supply have been distributed successfully to the shareholders. Great. Thank you, Felipe, for mentioning it. Let's continue now with our token offering. So let's create an STO. Great, so what we need here is choosing first a token offering name. So this is gonna be showing up on your token sales store, which is the web page, let's say, where you can that you can customize and customize with your branding and start like selling the tokens from there. So there can be many offering rounds happening for a company. So we need to define names for each one of the rounds. So let's say this is the seed round for the token gen company. So let's call it seed round offering. And let's go back to the AI and ask it how many tokens should we mint for the seed round for token gen. All right, let's make this one bigger so you can see with me. Perfect. So let's say we are launching a token offering, an offering for token. So as it needs specifications, we're gonna mention what we chose before. So we're gonna say it has a maximum total supply of 500 million, an initial token supply of 100 million, and let's generate 5 numbers for uh, the, let's go back to see, yes, for the amount of tokens to mint during the seed STO. I can see on the chat Felipe requested seed STO, so let's go with seed STO. And we change it here to not forget. Great, now we go back to the AI. And Felix, can you please drop it to the chat so that we all choose? Thanks. All right, so we have 20 million, 30 million, 40 million, 50 or 60 million. All right, I can see 2, 4, 3. I can see another 2, another 4, another 3. 2. Okay, 2 is winning now. Let's go with the 2. So we go with 20 million then. As perfect, we go back. Let's say it starts, in order to show how it works, we're gonna say it's starting in, let's say, 5 minutes. So in at 25, and we leave it open until same time next year, 2024. So the difference, like how it is working here. So there will be a smart contract that will be deployed by our protocol that is related to this token offering that we are creating here. Oops, sorry. Let me fix the screen. All right. Is it okay? Perfect. So how it's deploying the smart contract, and once the end date arrives, if the amount raised during the round is greater than the minimum amount that we choose here, then the funds are unlocked for the company that issued the offering. And if not, if it didn't reach it, all the amounts and all the funds gonna be returned to the investors automatically, because like the logic here is that if the company didn't raise the minimum amount needed to do the project, then it's riskier to keep the investment, let's say, which means, for example, yeah, so it's better to give it here, for example, 1 year in order to avoid and give us more time for raising. Yes, so I'll add more time. I'll put it in 30. Yes. So let's go now again to the AI and ask it for the minimum amount to raise and the maximum. Go back here and we do the same thing. So I'm gonna copy the specifications I gave it before. And we also specify we say launching here the seed STO for the token, which has a maximum, and we chose 20 million to be minted tokens to be minted during the seed round, the seed STO. So let's generate 5 variations of the minimum amount to raise, the minimum and maximum amounts to raise during the seed STO. All right, so here are the variations. Please drop on the chat which one you prefer. Thank you, Felix. So we have between 10 and 20, from between 15, 25, 20, 30, 25, 35, 30, 40. I can see 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3. Okay, so let's go with 3 then, which means 20, 30. So let's put 20 million here and 30. Perfect. So now next step is to choose in the seed round what are, let's say, the investment methods that we accept. So for example, we can accept now USDC in the testnet because you need to upload, but in production we're gonna have more tokens there. Okay, yeah, the screen. Great. All right, so let's say here in the staging environment, we have, is the screen okay? Perfect. So we can see now we only accept like USDC in the staging, and automatically the token price has been calculated from the amount of tokens to be minted and the maximum amount to raise. So it gave us 1.5 USD, which is the price of the TKN token during the seed round. So here we need to choose the limitations that we gonna or that we want to put for our investors. If we want to put a minimum investment amount, a maximum investment amount. So let's go ask again the Bricken AI to give us. So we're gonna take the same specifications and add the information. We say the minimum amount token gen is raising between 20 million and 30 million USD. And the token price during the seed STO is 1.5 USD. So let's generate 5 variations. Let's generate 5 variations for the minimum and maximum investment amounts during the seed STO. Perfect, so it's generated. So drop in the chat the number you choose, and we're gonna go for the same for minimum and maximum. So we have a minimum of 5, 10, 25, 50, 100. All right, let's make it easier. Let's go for the minimum first. Type from 1 to 5. Choose the number you prefer. 7.5 USD, 15 USD, 37 USD, 75 USD, or 150 USD. All right, I can see minimum 25, maximum 1000. I can see minimum 150. All right, let's go for a minimum of 150 then. Both chose number 5. Okay, so let's go. And please drop the maximum that you prefer so that we do it. So we go for minimum of 150. Make sure that it's great. The maximum is greater than 150 USD. So it's only between 2 and 5 now. Go ahead for the maximum. So we have 750, 1500, 7500, or 75k. I can see 5000, number 4. All right, let's go for 7500, which is number 4. 7, perfect. All right, so we finished the token offering information. Before moving forward, as I refreshed the page, I will have to reconnect my wallet in order to launch the factory for the deployment. So I'll connect it and click on finish to go for it. Okay, we surpassed it. Wrong estimation. So let's go for 34. Finish. And are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Again, the MetaMask, we accept and approve, confirm. We got the transaction hash already. Now it's creating the smart contract, it's deploying the smart contract with the information that we gave it. Let's wait for it to finish. Perfect. And we have our token offering, our seed STO that is live already. Congratulations to everyone. We created together the first AI based, let's say, token and token offering. So let's move now to the next steps. Continue. So we landed in the token store, as you can see. We have our escrow address, which is the offering smart contract address where it is deployed. We have already the start date and date, the soft cap, which is the minimum amount to raise that we defined, the hard cap, which is the maximum amount to raise, which we just chose earlier. So first step, right after deploying the smart contract for the STO, you should go to the token store, edit it, and publish it to start selling your tokens. So let's go prepare our token gen token store. And you will see how easy you can create a token store through our dApp. So you can see, sorry. So you can see that we can customize many sections and elements in our token store. So let's start by uploading the documents needed. So let's go for the logo. Let's go for a dark logo. So I'm gonna use again for the demo, I'm gonna use the Breaken logo, but yeah, later when we publish the bot with the and if it will have the image generation, we can do another stream then and test it and see how it will be. But now let's upload the Breaken one and move forward. So here, upload this one. Now I upload the white one. Perfect. We should upload the favicon. The favicon is the icon that is gonna be showing next to the page title on your browser, on the browser of the user. So let's go choose a favicon for our token store. And same, I'm gonna use the material of Breaken in this case, as it's a demonstration. So yes, here. So now we need an image for our hero section. The hero section is the first section of the website of the token store. So I'm gonna upload one from Recon illustrations, and let's put this one. Now we need a mobile logo type, so it shows also on mobile, and we can adapt it. So I'll go for an image for that. Okay. Let's choose this one. So now we need to upload the white paper of our token. So I will go for a dummy file in this case, as we are in a demo. So let me find a file that I can just put there. Let's put just the Bricken logo in this case for the partner images. We just need to put now elements in order to show you how the token store is automatically generated and how easy it is to customize the elements and the content. So let's go for, again, let's say this one, and we go with all of it here again. And last one here. Let's put images for the sections of the token store. So we're gonna put images here, illustrations. Let's put this one, this one, this one, and here. Let's save. Perfect. Now let's go customize the content of the sections. So so now let's go back to the AI and generate some content. So let's go here and let's generate for the token gen seed STO landing page, a hero section, the copywriting of a hero section, and it should include, as we can see, heading, description, heading and description. Perfect. So it gave us one for Bricken because I didn't specify much. So let's go specify more and try to make it create it for us. Seed STO. Five variations. Okay, so let's use it as it's still needing the training. So let's go quickly put, it needs 25 characters. So the future, let's say. And in order to move fast, as it's been 1 hour 40 minutes during this stream, I'm gonna just paste it. And next time we're gonna go over this part in more details. But now let's go just to show how it looks like. So I'll go grab a video for our token store. So let's grab, for example, this one. Great. Here, let's put the same 10. We can add more if we want. Again. And let's put our roadmap now. So let's say Q1 2023 and content. Let's just put it randomly. Q2 2023 and we do same 10. And we save. Perfect. Now we need to add the team members, so we can add a profile image. I'll add the Bricken one in this case. So let me open it up here and let's go for this one. Position name Bricken AI. Let's say as the AI is the one creating it, so it's the founder. Let's just put here linkedin.com and we leave it just like this. And we can add other team members if needed. But in this demo, let's go with one. We can choose the colors of our token store. So let's leave it as it is now to move faster. And we can add social links. So I'll just leave it empty. I'll go for, let's say, these ones. And we save. Yeah, save. So we preview. Perfect. So now we can see the preview of our token store. We have the image we uploaded. You can play with the images from your end in order to get good dimensions and optimize the UX UI of the token store easily directly from our dApp. Here is the call to action to invest, the white paper we uploaded, the information of the seed STO that we created. So you can see the start date and date, the escrow contract address, the token contract address, like the progress of the round, and all the metrics of the token and the token offering. And also the video that we uploaded should be here, but now as it was fast, I put probably a wrong video, so it's gonna be shown. And here are the reasons to invest we added. So you can see as much as you add is gonna be automatically added directly from the dApp. And the partners that we uploaded, the white paper with the call to action, and again it's just the dimensions of images. I used random images, that's why it gave me this structure here. And also I can play with the text of the paragraphs and the contents. Now we are moving fast, but next time in another stream, we're gonna go over the token store and how to create a token store in more details. We go over few probably pro tips about how to put a UX strategy, how to optimize the UI, etc. So the roadmap is taken too, so it's saved directly from the dApp. And we have the founder of the token gen company, which is the Bricken AI, with the LinkedIn that we have we have put in like the builder. So let's go back from the preview as we see that it's taken everything. We go to edit token store and we publish. Now we have our token store published. So I'll wait here. So we go publish. And we go look for our URL of the token, and here and we go here, and instead of that we put our token. Take out this part. Here it's prepared, and we open it here. Great. So we have now the token store of the TKN token for the token gen company that the Bricken AI created. So we didn't put many. I'll go back to see here. I can publish this one, publish, and here we are. Yes, so we have all the info that we added in, like the here there is this problem in only in the staging, but in the production environment we have everything ready. It's because of a file of translation, but yes, all the data that we have that we have chosen is already here, as you can see, and only the ones that are global that needs to be fixed in only this environment, but in the production it's already there. As you can see, the Bricken AI here, and the links, the social links that we have chosen. And now let's go to invest if we want. So we can create an account. We can log in, then do the QIC for the issuer to uh, invest in a token created through the Bricken dApp. So that can be the subject of another stream. Today was about creating the token and launching the token offering. So that's it for today. And yeah, let me know. Let us know your feedback in the chat. And thank you all for joining us. Let us know also your feedback in the community, in Discord server, in Telegram. Reach out to us if you have any questions. And yeah, that was the preview of our dApp. You can find the link of our Discord server on the chat. I think Felix dropped it. I hope you like this first stream we are doing on Twitch, and if you do, tell us on the community, and if like the majority likes it, we can continue doing these types, these like streams regularly. So yes, thanks also to all the team that is behind organizing, communicating the events and everything. And congrats to the tech team for the great dApp and great efforts that they did to generate this and create this beautiful dApp. So thank you everyone. It's been almost 2 hours. Let us know in the community. Have a nice day and bye.